This film presents our alarm units. We have a complete CO2 high-range system for warning of CO2 leakage in cooling systems. Each system has the possibility of connecting 2 alarm lamps. Other alarm units are also available. For example, for use in process ventilation to give an alarm if pressure or flow is insufficient in the system. Our alarm unit EP1 has a built-in pressure transducer, and air pressure is easily set on the scale just behind the lid. However, the alarm unit EP1 is also usable to get an alarm based on any other input signal. For example, if temperature or humidity is too high. For getting alarms based on temperature, you need an NTC sensor measuring the temperature. For getting an alarm based on moisture, you will need a moisture strip and a moisture switch. To get an alarm even when you are not on site, you may choose the iMessage alarm, which can be connected to the internet and send an alarm message when the set point is exceeded. Simple alarm lamps are also available. They give an audible and visual alarm based on an alarm signal from your equipment, and you can choose amongst a supply voltage of 12, 24 or 230 volts. Finally, our pressure box can be used to give a warning if air pressure or airflow is absent in your ventilation system. To get further information on one or more of our products, visit our webpage lscontrol.dk or contact your local wholesaler. And to keep up with our newest product line, you should follow us on LinkedIn or sign up to our newsletter. We look forward to providing you with the best products for your process or comfort ventilation system.